This will be practice questions 2.6. Question number 3. So preparing a trial balance from list of accounts on 31st December 2018, the owner of a business extracted the following list of balances from the accounting system. So you can actually see everything here, and then they asked us to prepare a trial balance dated 31st December 2018. So first we need to write the title. This is not required in your exams, however, this is just for practice. Trial balance, because all your titles will be written for you. Trial balance as at 31st December 2018. Then you should have your the name of your account. And then we have our debit. And our credit. So for this type of questions, right, what you can actually do is that you can actually use your pearls, which is the arrangement for your debit and credit. So we can actually have our purchases here, expenses, assets, and then revenue, liabilities, as well as sales. We can actually see this, and then you can actually differentiate it. All of it will naturally have a debit balance here, and then has a credit balance here. So this is how you use your pearls. EEARS. So when you have this, then it's easier for you to identify them. So let's just highlight it, or if it's debit side, we highlight it in this color. If it's credit side, highlight it this color. So let's try all our purchases, expenses, and assets. So expenses, advertising, bank loan is a liability, so we just wait on that. Capital, cash at bank, drawings, general expenses, purchases, trade payable, trade receivables, and vehicles. Okay, so there's a special account which is like drawings. Drawings will be on the debit side because it must be on the opposite of capital, which is capital on the credit side. So what I do is I try to remember if D for drawings, so D for debit as well. And then naturally everything else that's left over will be on your credit side. Sales, trade payable. So once you're done, just write everything in, and then we have to calculate the total. In order for the trial balance to be correct, the debit total and the credit total must be the same. So let's just list out all the accounts first. Advertising, bank loan. Okay, advertising is 600 on the debit side. Bank loan is 7,000 on the credit side. Capital, 10,500. Cash at bank. It's safest to just copy all the accounts name rather than changing it so that you don't confuse yourself. 2,300 general expenses. 700 purchases. 6,100 sales. 8,800 trade payable. 400 trade receivables. 900 vehicle. 14,900. So just double check by counting the number of accounts that you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So pretty good. All done. So 600,000, 600,000, 2,003, 761, 900, 14,900. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's just time to calculate everything together so that we can actually see the total. We got 600 plus 1,002 plus 2,300 plus 700 plus 6,100, 900, 14,900. We'll get 26,700 in total. Let's see if we can get the same amount on the credit side. So 7,000 plus 10,500 plus 8,800 plus 400. 26,700 as well. And we are good to go. So once this is done, then we can actually say that our trial balance is complete and it is balanced. Just underline this, and then we are good to go.